really appreciate Latchel. I have been in property management and development for over 10 years, and maintenance has always been a kick in the butt. But with Latchel, their support, it's been a breeze. From the moment that I started with HomeRoom up until now, I have not had any complaints about Latchel and their services and their support to me and to my team. When I wake up in the morning and I have my cup of coffee, all I have to do is go on my very large screen at home in the comfort of my own home and see that Latchel has done a lot of the work for me. They've taken a lot of the pain out of maintenance, and they've made it very, very easy for me to flow and be creative in my position. And also, when I see that the work orders are there and I see the different progress, whether it's from newly submitted, pending, or if it was canceled for any reason, I can clearly give my superiors a report of what's going on in all their properties without a flinch. And I really support and I really thank Latchel for everything that they've done from the moment that I started working with them.